I want to talk a little bit about how the Talkback system works in the control space. So, just like on the cameras, we have a headset that is an airline headset, which has a smaller portion for a mic and a thicker portion for headphones that run to one thing. On this particular one, if you wanted to, there's a mic input here, and you could use a regular mic, pick up the whole room if you wanted, and even a little speaker to listen to people. If this is powered on, that's going to power on this whole area. If that's powered on, now this device is going to work with our camera stuff. So what's really happening, this is called a studio converter, and all of the fiber optic arrives here first before it goes on and goes into our system. We'll talk about that in the video routing just in a minute in a different video. But this, in addition to converting the fiber optic signal into a regular SDI signal, it also allows for all of our Talkback to work. So a couple buttons on here. There's the press to talk buttons on the top. So if I wanted to talk to the camera that was plugged into 2 on the back here, I would push 2 and I could talk into the microphone. Hey, camera 2, pull the shot up. Zoom in a little bit. Camera 2 doesn't know what they're doing. And then the bottom one says lock to talk. If I push all of these, I can talk to all 4 cameras at once and keep them on. There's a mute button, and I don't actually know what the other one. Okay. I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure what this one does. You have to look at the manual to figure it out. But this is how the Talkback system works on this side, as long as a program feed makes it to this input back in here. And you can look at the diagrams or documentation on how that works. It's very important that a program feed makes it to this device, and that sends it out to the cameras and lets all of our Talkback and Tally to work. Now, one note, there is some information about Talkback over here on the switcher. I don't know if there's a way to make it work with that device or not. I just don't know. We've never been able to do it. There are some spots for inputs on the back of that in here, so you might be able to run them together and make them where you can talk, hit the buttons over here to talk back to those people as well. But right now, this is the way we've used it. There's actually 2 of these that can either be used for 8 different fiber optic sources or 1 for a mobile cart if you wanted to have a mobile production studio.